Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Google Alphabet price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting here on the weekly chart actually to see the all-time history between bullish and bearish scenarios here. And as you can see, we have an impulse toward the upside for Google where we see 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. We are currently in a wave 5 formation, not finished yet, and that because of course inside this wave 5 you are looking at 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for your wave 3, and then A, B and a C expanding a flat of course for a wave 4 here, hitting the wave C of course with the blue box 1.38 and 1.618, and then continuation towards the upside. Your wave 5 is supposed of course to hit the 1-to-1 fib level or 0.618, the blue box between $231 to $215 of course, as a finishing of course a wave 5 in the blue count here, and start of course a bearish scenario. Very potential, because we're gonna finish a big huge impulse here with a wave 5 for a wave 1 finish of course, and we're looking for a big correction ABC towards the downside potentially here for a big wave 1-2. By all means, you are looking for this scenario here where you potentially of course hit the 0.38. Of course it depends on the height that we get here. Possible scenario 0.38 of course in 3 corrective waves, for a big wave 1, 2 and then 3, 4 and a 5 continuation toward the upside after it of course for very high prices. But basically Google is very close to finish this wave 5 in a very great nice impulse in shape as well. We still have this one more move towards the upside, and we have to figure it out what's gonna happen after on. So inside the 4-hour chart, let's go back inside it. So we can see of course inside we are currently inside our wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 towards the downside, and still looking of course for a lower prices A, B, C of course, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 for your wave C. Here we go, 1, 2, 3, and we're still looking of course for lower because this is not finished yet. This of course the wave 4 of your wave 3, meaning you are looking here. Let's move inside it actually, more micro. So as you can see, we have a big wave 1, 2 here, and then 1, 2, and then 3, 4 and a 5. Your wave 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, potentially finishing only your wave 3 here of this 1, 2, 3 and then 4, 5, and this will finish of course your wave 3, the whole wave 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, and then don't forget you still have a 1, 2 here, and you're gonna finish your last 4 and a 5 towards the downside perfectly of course inside the blue box potentially. Of course it depends how much deep is gonna be. Now of course be careful that it might turn as well. Of course in a rare possibility it might turn of course into a running flat. Running flat is of course finishing a structure same as expanding flat, but it's gonna finish with a running flat where you're gonna finish 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it fails to take the low. So basically anyway, for a running flat still of course far possibility, but because of this shallow wave, in case it doesn't get extended as a wave 3, in case we do a wave 4 and a 5 somehow like this, be careful from this running flat of course, that it might of course turns of course as a reversal for the market and continuation towards the upside. However, this is a very rare case scenario that it might happen. Higher possibility of course to take the 1.38 at least, or at least let's say take the low. So these are the highest possibility, and as you can see, your target for a wave 1, 2 here is 1.618 for a wave 3 here. So your wave 3 still need to be extended of course for a 1.618. We did not reach even the common target, is still only looking like a zigzag, which is not good of course for an impulse. You still need of course to reach at least the uncommon target 1.27 fib level 158. The most common target is 152 of course, where you would like to finish a wave 3, 4 and a 5. That was it for Google. Thank you for watching, thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.